Hello everyone, my name's Peter Champion, and this Torana that we're standing here with now, this A9X two-door Torana, what this car meant to me when I was collecting the cars was that it's got Harry Firth's DNA in this car, and that's how I bought the car. It is supposedly to be the Harry Firth customer car. It was also mentioned that it was the prototype for the A9Xs, and it's an amazing little car. When I bought it, it was as it is. I haven't touched this car since it came along, and I put it in my collection. And as you can see when you look at this car, you can see Harry's DNA in it from the gauges and everything else that's in this car. But still a truly amazing car for the collection. This car here, Emma, was a special little car in our collection. What do you recall of it?
Oh, I just recall everyone loving the Toranas. They get to this one, this was the car that everyone wanted.
Yeah.
The A9X. It was so popular with the 78 and 79 Bathurst wins, and it's the wins that people remember most of Brock and the 6 lap record, and that was the most talked about point whenever we got to this car. Those records by Brock in 79 were truly special.
To all of us that are HDT Brock fans, it's a milestone and a remarkable car, because everybody still today talks about Brocky and winning Bathurst by 6 laps and breaking a lap record on the last lap. This car here is the homologating car. Was Harry Firth's customer car. It was a car that was homologated, so very special little car, even though it didn't win Bathurst. Its big brother did, so
you'd certainly get people who'd remember the black car running around Melbourne and when Harry was doing some testing and homologating.
I think it had Harry Firth number plate, 111. Possibly. Yeah, look. But I just love the fact that Harry was so special to the collection and to the brand, and that's what we love about the brand, is that his DNA would be all over this car, and I love that.
Would be.